once it pulls out, undo your electrical connector. And then it looks like this. You've got 3 bulbs. We're going to take out the brake light bulb, the running light bulb. Now when you look at this, you can see the brown color. It should be all gray. That brown color means that it's been hot. By comparison, we're going to look at another one. Now if you look at the 2, the brown ones means this one's been hot. That helps you focus in on this is where your problem is. Now when you pull that light socket out, now if you look at this contact on the right, it looks kind of crisp and clean, but the left one looks a little bit distorted. It's a little bit hard to see in this picture, but what has happened is, because of the excessive heat, the plastic has actually melted and gotten soft. Now when you look at this light bulb, there's 2 contacts that press against that. You can see that there's spring tension on that to make good contact. Now by comparison, we've actually taken the lens housing off on the other side. This one doesn't have a problem. And you can see what it's supposed to look like. Now going back to the bad one, what has happened here is that black plastic has gotten soft and the spring tension has pushed that contact down into the black plastic and it's not touching the light bulb contact. We're going to show you how to fix that now. Now the black plastic here is what's melted and it's humped up a little bit. So what we're going to do is try and scrape that out of there and get it flat again. Now we need to get up underneath it and try and pry it up. Now I would just use a little straight pick and try and get up underneath it. And try and get it up a little bit. Now that's a little bit too high, so we want to bend it back down. Now once you get that up where it can actually make contact with the light bulb again, if you'll notice, every one of these have the same part number. Now the one that came out of there was discolored. That means it's gotten hot. That's the running light. It stays on the most. So a little tip here is to switch it now with this one on the other end, the reverse light. That light only comes on when it's in reverse. So simply pull that one out. And then switch them. They both have the same bulb. Put that one up there so that one will only illuminate when you go into reverse. And then this one will now become the running light. Turn them so they're all the same direction. And now we're ready to reinstall it. Clip your connector back in. And you can see that it's on. Now we have the brake light, actually the brake pedal down, so our brake light's on. Testing it out, we're going to turn on our headlights so we've got running lights, and then we step on the brake, and we got a brake light.